Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular products for all you audio enthusiasts out there. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Alright, let's get started. When it comes to compatibility, the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is designed specifically for Blue Yeti recording microphones. It is not suitable for microphones with a micro USB interface. On the other hand, the Aokeo USB condenser microphone offers versatile compatibility. It can be connected to computers, notebooks, PS4, PS5, mobile phones, Mac, and other devices. Just keep in mind that it's not compatible with Xbox. So, if you're looking for a more flexible option, the Aokeo microphone takes the lead here. Both products offer impressive sound quality. The Blue Yeti USB cable power cord ensures a full-speed charge to deliver optimal performance for Blue Yeti recording microphones. It features high-gauge, low-impedance wire and high-quality PVC material for optimum protection. On the other hand, the Aokeo USB condenser microphone utilizes a professional condenser microphone chip that supports 192 kHz, 24-bit, resulting in smooth and clear audio. Additionally, it provides adjustable pickup patterns for enhanced versatility. Overall, both products excel in sound quality, but the Aokeo microphone offers additional customization options. Durability is important, especially when it comes to cables. The Blue Yeti USB cable power cord undergoes a series of tests, including 1,000+ bending tests, to ensure its durability. It is made with high-gauge, low-impedance wire and high-quality PVC material for optimum protection. Similarly, the Aokeo USB condenser microphone is built to last. Its microphone isolation shield is made of absorbing cotton insulation, reducing sound reflection during recording. Both products are designed to withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance. Now let's talk about the price. The Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is priced at $XX, while the Aokeo USB condenser microphone is available for $69. Considering the features and performance offered by both products, the Aokeo microphone stands out as an affordable option for those looking for great sound quality without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap. We compared these two fantastic products, considering compatibility, sound quality, durability, and price. It's important to choose the product that best fits your needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.